We imagine endings as fire and fury, a final, deafening crescendo. But the universe has a different finale in mind, a slow, silent descent into absolute stillness, a fade to black on a scale beyond our comprehension. It is not an event, but a process, a fate written in the language of thermodynamics, a final, perfect equilibrium known as the heat death, a state where nothing happens forever, the ultimate silent conclusion. It begins with a fundamental law, entropy, the universe's relentless march from order to chaos. Every star that burns, every galaxy that spins, is a temporary defiance against this inevitable, cosmic unwinding. The flow of energy from hot to cold is the engine of existence. It powers life, thought, and creation. But when the entire cosmos reaches the same uniform, near absolute zero temperature, that engine falls silent. This isn't a destruction, but a final state of perfection, a perfect balance where change becomes impossible, a universe frozen in a final, silent thought. The great work of existence will be, quite simply, done. Trillions of years will pass. The last generations of stars will be born, live, and die. These red dwarfs burning for ages will be the final embers of a universe that once roared with nuclear fire. Eventually, the last star will exhaust its fuel. Its light will travel across the void for eons, a final message from an era of warmth. Then it too will go dark, and the age of starlight will be over. Galaxies will dissolve. Their dead suns and orphaned planets will be flung into an endless, empty space. The universe will become a cemetery of stellar ghosts, a sea of black dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. In this profound darkness, the cold will be absolute. Any remaining structures will be fragile, their atoms barely holding together against the encroaching stillness. Time itself will begin to lose its meaning. For an unimaginable length of time, black holes will be the only organized matter left. They will be the universe's final inhabitants, silently consuming the last remnants of a forgotten age. Time moves differently here. But even these cosmic titans are not eternal. Through a process of Hawking radiation, they will slowly evaporate, particle by particle, over a timescale that makes the age of the universe seem like a fleeting instant. The last black hole will evaporate, its mass converted into a final whisper of low-energy photons. This will be the universe's last act, the last flicker of organized energy in an eternity of cold silence. And then, nothing. A universe of particles in a state of maximum entropy. No complexity, no structure, no memory, no time. A perfect equilibrium. The big freeze will be complete. The story's over. But this raises the ultimate question. If the cosmos itself is doomed to forget absolutely everything, what was the value of a single conscious moment? What was the purpose of awareness? Was our art, our science, our love, nothing more than a fleeting pattern in the cosmic sand, destined to be washed away by the tide of entropy? A brief, pointless anomaly in the great silent equation. Or perhaps meaning was never meant to be cosmic or eternal. Perhaps its value is not in its permanence, but in its profound rarity. A brief island of complexity and warmth in an ocean of encroaching cold. The universe may not remember the symphonies we wrote or the love we shared, but we did. In the brief moment we existed, we gave the cosmos a voice, a witness to its own fleeting grandeur. Our existence is a beautiful, tragic paradox. We are a product of a universe that is destined to erase us. A brief, self-aware echo in a hall that will eventually fall silent forever. The end is not a failure, but a completion. The silence that awaits is not empty, but full of the memory of what was. The memory we created for ourselves in our own small sliver of cosmic time. The universe may forget us, But for one brilliant moment, we were its thoughts. We were the cosmos made aware of itself. And that, in the face of the final cold, was and will always be enough.